Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a refashion enthusiast. I love to transform old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy and yeah, usable too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'm gonna show you transformation on this peplum top. So this top was high trend back in 2012 and yeah, most of us has this kind of top in their closet. For me this looks like a bit of teenage kind of look, so I'm gonna change this top into something new. So let's get started. So first of all, detach the sleeves and the skirt from the top. Iron the bodies and take measurement of the chest and waist. So this was already loose enough to fit my body. We'll be needing only one side of the neckline, so only seam rip open the side you need. We'll be turning this top into one shoulder top, so draw a curved line joining the neckline to the end of the armhole. Cut along the seam line, front neckline a bit lower than the back with 1/4 inch seam allowance. This is how it looks like. So now we're going to use this sleeve to increase the length of the top. Measure the original length of the bodies. Mine is 15 inches, so I'll be cutting 3 inches from the sleeves to increase the length of the bodies. Cut the 3 inches strip from the sleeves and join it on the body something like this and interlock all the raw edges. Now measure 13 inches from the shoulder and mark points 1 inches far up to bottom and draw a straight line horizontally both in front and back, joining together in a round. Now take a bobbin elastic, wrap it on your bobbin reel without stretching and stitch along all the lines we drew before. Don't forget to stretch your fabric while you sew it. And I'm really sorry for my nails guys, I was experimenting some different nail polishes on my nails. So yeah, we're almost done, and for the bottom just fold it along like this and give it a straight stitch, and yeah, do the same on the bottom. So yeah, the bottom look like this and has a really great stitch. So now we're gonna work on for the top neckline. Pin the skirt on the necklines, right side of the skirt facing wrong side of the top so that the seam lines hide between the frill and the bodice after stitching, and yeah, make pleats with the excess part of the skirt on the shoulder. So after stitching, this is how our seam lines will be facing inside. Take another sleeve and see how much it stretches on the bias side and cut a 1 inch bias strip for the shoulder strap. Now give it a straight stitch 1/4 inch and turn it inside out, and yeah, we have our strap. Place the bodies on the dress form and mark where you want to place the strap. Now take the strap and sandwich the strap in between the seam lines of the frill and bodice like this. Pin the strap and sew along the neckline. So this is how it looks like, and we've just joined our front strap, and don't forget to interlock the raw edges and iron the neckline for a crispy finish. So take an elastic of 1/4 inch. I had this elastic from one of my previous projects, so I'm using this one. You can use either white or pink one if you have. Cut elastic of almost 7 to 8 inches and pin both ends to the end of our new one shoulder neckline. Join the elastic to the neckline by giving it a straight stitch and stretching it along the way. Now top stitch the wrong side of the neckline to give it a clean look. So yeah, we're almost at the end, and this is how it looks like with inside and outside. So we're just gonna join this strap at the back, and then I guess we're done. Join the strap at the back by hand stitching it, and finish the armhole following the process of neckline finishing I did in my last week's romper refashion, and then we're done. So here is the final transformation. Hi guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more refashions every Tuesday, because I post tutorial every Tuesday. And don't forget to share this amazing idea of sustainable fashion with your friends, family and all. So I'll see you next Tuesday with a very new refashion again. And that just disturbed me. Okay, bye.